Well, since claim letter is a neutral business letter, so whenever companies write these sort of letters, obviously they are supposed to receive some replies to their claim letters. And when the company to whom to which you are writing decides that yes, the claim is legal and the company is supposed to adjust the claim, the letter becomes an adjustment letter. So the word adjustment is used when company is at fault and the claim is being adjusted. So basically the company is giving a kind of good news, okay, to the claimant. That's why this letter is called adjustment letter. In this similar fashion, since this is a yes sort of letter, there are three paragraphs. Paragraph 1 talks about acknowledging reader's communication. Okay, so in the sample that we studied in the previous video, uh, ABC University communicated their concern to Fox Computers. So Fox Computers, the company is going to write a letter to ABC University, and in the first paragraph they are going to acknowledge university's communication, and then they are going to convey the good news that yes, they are ready to exchange the faulty goods. But in paragraph 2, we need to understand two things. First, if Fox Computers is at fault, they must straight away say that they are ready to exchange their laptops. But if they believe that the customer is at fault, means the ABC University is at fault, then and there are certain other ways of saying the things. Yes, you are going to exchange the laptops, but you should also make the customer realize his or her mistake, and so that such mistake on the part of the customer could be avoided in future. Okay, so sales promotion, if any, that is optional. That is, if the company Fox Computer wants to promote any other good in the letter, they can. Otherwise, these are the two things that you need to consider. Then, paragraph 3, we show expectation of better service and experience in future. Okay, one thing. Then, appropriate friendly clauses, obviously compulsory. Let's go to the sample. So subject, because this is a reply and this is the reply with the same subject, we use we in capital followed by colon. So you see, we appreciate that you communicated your concern to us. We are ready to exchange the defective laptops. The concern, communication, appreciation, and then the good news that they are ready to exchange the defective laptops. Now, once again, the company is starting with appreciative statement for itself that it has made its name in the computer market by serving valuable customers like ABC University. So kind of an appreciation for the university also being the customer of Fox Computers. Therefore, your satisfaction is our topmost priority. Your letter dated 7 October 2019 mentioned the issue with the keyboards of two laptops which you sent to us for exchange. So you see, this sentence is basically the summary of the previous communication of the claim letter. Okay, and we checked the laptops and found the issue genuine. If the company is at fault, they must accept it. Okay, and straight away say that they are ready to exchange. So we are sending you the fresh pieces on the given address, and the revised bill is enclosed with the letter for the information and record. So this is how the second paragraph is constructed if the company is at fault. Okay, and then we hope you will keep buying computer accessories from Fox Computers for future appreciation, and then kind of appropriate friendly close. But if the customer is at fault, okay, if the ABC University is at fault, the paragraph will be like, Fox Computers has made its name in the computer market by serving valuable customers like ABC University. Therefore, your satisfaction is our topmost priority. Your dated letter, you can see the same summary, but the change is here. We checked the laptops and have found that the laptops have received some kind of blow. You are mentioning the mistake on the part of the receiver without mentioning you or any name. Since the latest model of laptops is very delicate, it must be used gently and placed in bags between soft things to avoid any damage in future. So the customer is made to realize that they should do certain things in order to avoid something.